Hi, welcome to Medmadness. This is Dr. Ram here. We are going to discuss about the liver histology in this session. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a section of liver, I'm going to draw some line diagrams, and then we'll go over the histology slide. So the liver is composed of so many lobules like this. This is the liver lobule, and I've drawn some 3 lobules here. Note that these lobules are not very well separated. Unlike in lower animals like pigs, you can see a clear demarcation between the lobules with connective tissues. So the liver lobules is composed of the hepatocytes. The hepatocytes are the liver cells that carry out the functions of the liver. At the periphery of the liver lobules, you have 3 canals. These canals constitute the portal triad. So the portal triad is composed of a branch of portal vein, a branch of hepatic artery, and interlobular bile ducts. Note that these hepatocytes needs blood supply, am I right? So these hepatocytes gets a dual blood supply from the branch of portal vein as well as a branch of hepatic artery. And the venous drainage from the hepatocytes is in the central vein, which is located at the center of the liver lobule. In the next slide, I'm going to take a section in this way, composed of the portal triad, the hepatocytes, and the central vein. I'm going to draw the diagram step by step. Okay, so this is the bile duct, portal vein, and the branch of hepatic artery. So this constitutes the portal triad, and the center of the lobule you have the central vein, and you have sheets of hepatocytes. This hepatocyte is going to get dual blood supply from the portal vein as well as the hepatic artery, and the blood flows through the sinusoids. So the sinusoids are nothing but the capillaries of the liver. It is very special because the endothelial cells has got some large gaps in between, so that substances can be transferred between the sinusoids and the hepatocytes. So the blood flows in this way, in this picture, from left side to the right side. Note that there is one important cell inside the sinusoids. These are the macrophages of the liver. It is called the Kupffer cells. Its main function is defense. Okay, you can see some space here. This space in between the endothelial cells and the hepatocytes. This space is called the space of Dizzy. In this space, you got some important cell. It is stellate cells. Stellate means star-shaped. So I've shown you some star-shaped cells here. This stellate cell's important function is to store vitamin A, and it is the major cell reacting to the liver injury. Okay, the last point. One of the main function of the hepatocyte is to secrete bile. So the bile secreted from hepatocyte flows in this way, opposite direction to that of blood flow. So in this picture, the bile flows from right to the left into the bile duct. I will show you the histology picture. So this is the liver histology slide. Here you can appreciate the portal triad here, and this is the central vein. The lobules are not clearly demarcated, but you can very well visualize it here. And these are the hepatocytes. In between the hepatocytes, you can clearly see the sinusoids. And this is the portal triad. You have the bile duct, you have a branch of portal vein, and a branch of hepatic artery. I hope this session is very useful for you. See you then. Thank you. See you with more interesting videos.